bull flags, American flags, pirate flags, all kinds of flags. But what's the deal with a bull flag, and how do you identify it? How does it work? What is a bull flag? Talking about it in this video, we're gonna get deep into the idea of what a bull flag is and how to trade it and all that fun stuff in this video. So, well, you better stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So today we're talking about the classic, the day trading classic. I mean, everybody knows about the bull flag, right? You know about the bull flag. What's the deal with the bull flag? Talking about it and just kind of rapping about it in this video. If you guys are new to this channel for some reason, I don't know why you have not already subscribed, but if you want to learn more about day trading, I mean, if you just want to follow along and see me day trade and stuff like that and all the other fun stuff I do. If you want to be my friend, you can hit the subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification tab, and now that I've begged you to do all that, just do me one big favor. Also, keep watching. Well, all right, let's get into it here. So the bull flag, I'm trying to find a bull flag here. I wish I could find a little bit better of a bull flag, but I feel like this is a decent bull flag. Maybe it's not even a decent bull flag. This is more like a descending triangle. So I'm gonna call it a bull flag. I'm gonna call it a bull flag because a couple different reasons here. I got this candle here. It went from 579 up there to 592. Well, where was the support at there? Okay, the bottom of this candle was our support, and look at that. So on the 5 minute, I don't think you can see it as well. On the 5 minute, it's a little bit of a bull flag. See this nice big candle here, boom, boom. Okay, we're making highs, and then we break out for the next kind of move higher there. But really, let's get deep in here. Let's figure out what is the definition of a bull flag and how does it work and all of that fun stuff. The one day that I need to find a bull flag, I just can't find one here. That's like a beautiful bull flag. Looking like Speed Trader's got a little info on it. So what is a flag pattern? A flag pattern is a trend continuation pattern approximately named after its visual similarity to a flag on a flagpole. A flag is composed of an explosive strong price move that forms the flagpole, followed by an orderly and diagonally symmetrical pullback, which forms the flag. When the trendline resistance on the flag breaks, it triggers the next leg of the trend move, and the stock proceeds ahead. What separates the flag from typical breakout or breakdown is the pole formation, representing almost a vertical and parabolic initial price move. Flag patterns can be bullish and bearish. So today we're going to talk about the bull flag. The bullish flag, the bull flag, this pattern starts with a strong, almost vertical price spike that takes the short sellers completely off guard as they cover in a frenzy as more buyers come in off the fence. Eventually, the price peaks and forms an orderly pullback where the highs and lows are literally parallel to each other, forming a tilted rectangle. Upper and lower trend lines are plotted to reflect the parallel diagonal nature, and the breakout forms when the upper resistance trend line breaks again as price surges back towards the high of the formation and explodes through to trigger another breakout and uptrend move. The sharper the spike on the flagpole, the more powerful the bull flag can be. We're going to call this the flagpole, this big move up here. We break above that previous resistance, and then we pulled back down here to the 570 area. And then we pulled down here to the 575, 579, and then look, once this finally breaks above, boom, a little bit of a fake breakout there, but overall, you kind of see how it works. So that's kind of what we're looking for, and I like to see that nice kind of big ramp up. We're ramping up, and then okay, now we're consolidating, and then look, boom, another big break to the upside. Gives you an idea. Just gives you an idea of how these stocks really kind of move in these channels and create these flags, create these indicators, give you an idea of kind of what this trend is doing, what the stock is doing. And if you can really identify that, and if you can see, okay, we're holding this 576 area, it's looking good, had this nice big move up here, and then we're consolidating. Look at the volume as well. So from 1030 on, the volume's dying. We're just consolidating across there, getting really tight there. Got the EMAs, got everything lining up right in that area. And then boom, from 581 up there above $6, and then boom, 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 higher. So that's really kind of what we're looking for. And once that trend breaks, that's what we're looking for, the upside. Really the best opportunity here in this type of area is kind of buying this support area, seeing that support is there, seeing the EMAs are there. You would be pretty much, you'd be good to buy at the 570, 580 area. And you can see kind of, a little bit of consolidation in that support area. So in this area here really is kind of where I'd want to be buying at, buying that 570, 575 area, 580 area, looking for this to break out to the upside. And that's kind of what the bull flag is. And, it's good to see that consolidation there, because that's basically saying like, hey, we're showing some support. The stock is becoming healthy. A stock that just goes straight up, that's not healthy. It's not good, because what happens is stock goes straight up, it comes straight back down. I don't want to tell you they can't go straight up, because they sometimes, you get a big squeeze, something like crazy happens. But overall, for a stock to move in a healthy way, you really want to see just kind of a nice, a nice big move, consolidation, a nice big move, consolidation. So that's really kind of what we're looking for, and kind of, identifying these types of patterns. There's all types, there's thousands of patterns. You can draw lines and boxes and circles all over your chart all day long, trying to figure out which pattern to play and everything like that. But really, it just gives you kind of an idea, like, okay, I'm seeing how this is breaking out. We broke out above this high there at the 586, got there to 592, a little bit of a pullback. We're consolidating. The volume's looking good. Had a ramp up in volume through the pole there. And then as the flag is holding there, we're building the flag, the volume is decreasing, but we're holding that price there, and that 576 area is kind of that key area to watch. And then boom, once the shorts can't hold it down to get that squeeze, shorts are trying to cover, and boom, 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 they're covering all the way up there. So really, you kind of see how identifying these patterns and identifying these setups on the chart. I guess you could really kind of call this almost a cup and handle as well. This 586 area building the cup there, and then the handle. So there's all kinds of patterns. You can just see all these different patterns there, kind of just, cup, handle. Maybe there's a, on the larger time frame, you can maybe see a better cup and handle there. So there's kind of, I'd say it's almost like a double cup, or like a W kind of thing. But really kind of this little cup and handle here. You get this cup in the wave, and then boom, build the handle here, and then boom, stock moves higher. So there's all types of different setups and things to look at and figure out on the chart. I think over time, really just, the more and more you trade, you'll kind of identify this. I've never really been the greatest at identifying these different patterns. A lot of times, I need to focus more on identifying patterns and kind of seeing the overall, what's going on, and seeing the bull flag, seeing the bear flag, seeing the cup and handles, and all that fun stuff. I really just gotta get down to the basics, and that's kind of why I'm making these videos. So I'm thinking other people out there kind of, they can have some help as well. And then also for me, just kind of really digging in here and trying to get back to the basics and learn and become a better day trader. That's really all it comes down to here, is just trying to become a better day trader, making a little bit more money and being able to identify opportunities. That's what day trading is all about. It's just identifying opportunities, being able to identify an opportunity when it's there, and then being able to capitalize. It's one thing to identify it. The other thing is being able to act on it, and then, understand what to do at certain times and blah, blah, blah. So there it is, the bull flag. We're not talking about the pirate flag or the American flag, something like that. We're talking about the bull flag, baby. If you guys have watched this video, if you've for some reason watched this entire video at this point and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Also, do me one big favor, hit that like button.